Hey yo, what's up? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys Subway Surfers. And let's just go right into the video. There's Subway Surfers right here at your service. With an upgraded monster board, you can jump over trains, and it's also really fast. Okay. So my goal is to try and get to 500 coins in one run. And so here's my first attempt with Trixie. You get the power up. Obviously, shoot, I couldn't get to the top. But, there's a mystery prize box. I see it right there. I'm gonna try to get to there. There we go. Underneath, up, over, let's go. Now, remember, my goal is to get 500 coins in one run. That's my goal. Remember, because this is my first attempt. I hope I can get this straight, but you never know. I hope I land on it. If you go on this way, they'll shoot you or something. Not shoot you. They run you over. So that was really a waste of my magnet, but it's still pretty cool, I guess. I'm at 156, guys. That's my status. Okay. See, this will be a perfect time to get the magnet. They always give it to you when you really don't need it, but they never give it to you when you actually need it. That's the bad part about Subway Surfers. This is my big crud. Got two keys, then I get to get an extra life. Oh my gosh. Bruh. So I just died. I got 203 coins. Now I got the mystery prize box. Yes, I got a couple more unlocked freshes. There you go. Now let's cut off with a commercial. I already have this app, so I don't know why they're showing this to me, but I just want to double up on my bobbers, on those cereals and so yeah. Oh my gosh. I really don't care, y'all. Yeah, you're gonna play. No, I'm not. I don't like this game. Swipe the special. Okay, this is so freaking easy. Well, I'll just press FN. Wow. F you. Nope, not gonna download it. Now I got double on brushes. Bobber. Now I'm just gonna touch the play button. This is my second attempt. I'm gonna be doing 5 attempts because this is 500. I'll be right back. I just have to put on the sound. It's so cringy without the sound. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. I hate this game. This is my second attempt and I got 62 coins. I mean 69 coins. And that should be so cool. I'm not paying attention. My fourth attempt. Oh my god. So in total, I probably did get like 500, but I have to get one run. So no, I did not meet my goal. I wish I would have. But we're gonna exit out next. So please subscribe, give a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video. and see you in the next show.